Today's recipe, crispy cheese chicken quesadillas. Quick and easy recipe. It's so delicious. When you try, you will make every day. My kids ask me to make every day. Enjoy. Chicken breast cut into small pieces. Transfer to the bowl. Chopped onion. Chopped garlic. Chopped bell peppers. Oil to tablespoon. Add chopped garlic. Stir and fry, few seconds. Chopped green chili, 1 tablespoon. Stir and fry. Add chicken. Fry until color change. Salt to taste. Black pepper to taste. Stir and mix. Soy sauce, 1 tablespoon. Add chopped onion. Add bell pepper. Add pepperoni. Stir and mix. Add ketchup to tablespoon. Mix well. Add cornstarch mixture. Stir continuously. Add coriander leaves. Mix it. Done. Let it cool. Flour, 3 tablespoons. Add water. Mix well. Keep aside. Mozzarella cheese. Tortilla. Cut into 2 pieces. Spread the flour mixture. Make a cone shape. Put a mozzarella cheese. Press with finger. Add cooked chicken. Spread the flour mixture. Add one by one. Fry until golden brown. Done. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.